In today's video, I'm going to teach you managing Microsoft 365 users in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. We'll walk through the essential tasks you'll use day to day, updating user profiles, resetting passwords, adjusting licenses and app access, assigning admin roles, and offboarding users cleanly and securely. Start by signing in to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center at admin.microsoft.com with an account that has admin permissions. Once you're in, head to the left-hand sidebar and open Users, then Active Users. This is your central hub for managing accounts. To update a user's profile, click their name to open the side pane. On the Account tab, select Manage Contact Information. Here you can review and edit details like display name, job title, department, and contact numbers. Keep data consistent with your naming conventions so searches and address lists stay clean. When you're done, click Save Changes and confirm the update. For password resets, you have two quick options. From the active users list, hover over the person and choose the key icon, or open their profile and select Reset Password. You can let the system auto-generate a strong temporary password or create one yourself following your organization's complexity rules. Be sure to check Require this user to change their password when they first sign in. This helps protect the account. Click Reset Password to finalize and share the temporary password through a secure channel. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, remind the user to complete that setup at next sign-in. Next, let's manage licenses and apps. With the user selected, open the Licenses and Apps tab in the side pane. Check or uncheck the product licenses they need. Under Apps, you can toggle individual services within a license, disabling tools the user doesn't require. This keeps access aligned with their role and can help optimize costs. Click Save Changes and note that updates may take a few minutes to propagate across services. If the person needs elevated permissions, choose Manage Roles in the User's pane, switch from a standard user to Admin Center access only when there's a clear business reason, then pick the specific role, such as Global Administrator, Help Desk Administrator, or Billing Administrator, based on their responsibilities. Apply the principle of least privilege and review admin assignments regularly. Finally, when offboarding, select the user and choose Delete User from the toolbar. Follow the prompts in the wizard and confirm Delete User. Before you do this, make sure mail, files, and ownership of shared resources are handed off and that you're following your retention policies. That's it. Efficient, secure user management in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center.